So we're doing this demo to search the assets using AI in a MAM system. First of all, how do we send the assets for AI analysis? The MAM system can be connected with multiple AIs. In this example, it's connected with Azure, with Google, with Amazon, 12 Labs, DeepGram, etc. Now we select an asset and then we go to our metadata. In the AI indexing, we have a few buttons. We can click on any one of them to send the video to one of the platforms. In this process, the video would be, as a URL would be sent to the platform, will be indexed, and the data will be brought back to EMAM. And how does the data come back to EMAM? Let's look at sample data for one of the videos. In the results, you will get all the faces which were notified in the video. You will get them listed here. You will get the speech to text done for the entire video. For example, right here, you can see the text. And then when you play the video, it can be overlaid on the video. Let's just play one of them.
Why you got into jiu-jitsu for the first time, like originally what made it, and then what, why it clicked with you, why you...
All right. Similarly, you get some more data like annotations, some keywords which were mentioned in the video. Azure will provide you emotions, speech sentiment. Again, you can click on any section of the video where it mentions to navigate there and start reviewing from that section. The video automatically moves to the section you chose. If you're looking for a negative speech sentiment, click on one of those and the video will scroll to that area and you can start playing from there.
Tell me, what do you want people to know? Like, you're here.
Now, similarly, you can select multiple keywords and navigate through them. And this is the kind of way Azure would provide results. Let's look at the result for one more video maybe. Now, this is a movie which has a lot of faces. And typically, Azure will not only come back with the speech to text, but in the video indexer, it will come with all the faces that were identified in the movie. And if any names are celebrities, faces are identified, the name would come as well. Guy Ecker. For the people who are not celebrities or not in the database, you may not get the name. So Blanca Soto is famous, you get the name, and there are some unknown faces. For unknown faces, you can train the model by editing and putting the data here. This will go back to the AI engine and try to train the model. So you get all the faces listed. You also get the duration where they appear. The gray mark on the timeline is the duration, the precise frame where they appear. You can click on it and navigate to that very frame, either by selecting face or the timeline. And then you get different keywords, annotations, brand mentions, which were used. Santos, the brand was used. We can click and navigate to that frame where Santos was used. Different emotions, again, very similarly. Now, in a similar fashion, you can also get results from other AI engines. This video in particular was analyzed by two AI engines, Video Indexer and Recognition. Recognition has identified a bit more people like Brian Chung, Nacha Guerrero, etc. Again, you can click on the individual people and navigate to the section where that person is present. And then, using timeline, go to the other sections. You can go through the annotations. You can go through the transcript on the right. And all this data is then searchable in single or as a combination. Now let's try looking at the search features. So perhaps we're going to go in here and search for Hurley and see what is the result we get. We get a few results. Okay. Now, maybe we're going to kind of go in deep and say we want to search Hurley, where Hurley is mentioning about a wardrobe. So we're going to do Hurley and wardrobe. And we're only interested in looking at the AI data. So we're going to take out all others and just look at AI data. All right, let's run a search. We have to enable contains all these words. And right here, from the AI, we get the video where Elizabeth Hurley, mentions about the wardrobe, and I can go to the very frame and I can start playing.
Wardrobe, but it's a massive wardrobe, but it's
Similarly, we can be certain about other things. For example, I would go to my uh, advanced search and maybe I'm looking for the word messy where it was mentioned in the video. So I'm going to run a search and I would immediately get to the very frame where the word messy is mentioned. Click on it and start playing.
messy and
So that was a very high level and quick demo on how to use AI within EMAM to identify faces, to search through the text. Let's do one more quick search. Let's say first searching only in the AI for some particular keywords, for example, studied. You will go click on search, and as you see, we're getting our results. We go to our transcript and comes in highlighted. I can go to the very frame and start playing the video right from there.
There are so many blogs and YouTube videos all about this question, and most of them will say, answer with where you're from, what you studied, or your experience.
There we go. So thank you for joining today. I hope you like the demo.